Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lannie. If you are new here, welcome. I wanted to show you guys a quick little haul on the items I got to prepare Christmas dinner, which is only a couple days away. So if you guys didn't see my last haul for Thanksgiving, I always have a list of things that I need to get before I go to the store, so I won't get sidetracked and start picking up things that I don't need. So I'm going to go ahead and start over here. I will be making a peach cobbler, so I did get these Pillsbury pie crust, which I love. I also got the regular pie crust because I will be doing a sweet potato pie, so I got the pie crust as well. I have boneless chicken fillets. For dinner tomorrow, I did pick up some chicken wings, 2 packs of those, some bacon. I have these 2 lobster tails for a little surf and turf, and I have these 2 packs of lamb loin chops, some iceberg lettuce. I actually prefer to do my salads using the shredded iceberg lettuce rather than the bag of prepared salad greens. I also have 2 packs of asparagus, some Hershey syrup, some hot cocoa mix, Italian seasoning, and I love this seasoning because it has some really good stuff in here, and I think it's going to pair well with the lamb chops: marjoram, basil, rosemary, thyme, oregano, and sage. So some really yummy herbs. I also have crescent rolls, 2 of those, some black pepper, some sweetened condensed milk, some paprika, sliced peaches, 2 of those, Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. This is super yummy, and I am going to be using that when I prepare my mashed potatoes. And I have a big bag of russet potatoes here, and I also have a bag of sweet potatoes. I also picked up some whole milk, some coffee creamer. This is the hazelnut, some Ready Whip. These were buy one get one, so I got 2 of those. And I also picked up some Talenti gelato. This is the Madagascar vanilla bean, which I think will go really good with my peach cobbler. And I also got the coffee cookie crunch for no reason in particular, that it just sounded delicious and I wanted to try it out. And last but not least, I have this gingerbread house, which I thought was super cute. Instead of getting like the small individual gingerbread houses, my son and I actually found this at Walmart, and I thought it would be cool if we could put this big house together. And it also comes with 2 little gingerbread men, so I thought that was super cute. All right, you guys, so that is it for my grocery haul. I hope you guys have an awesome Christmas and a happy new year. You guys stay safe. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, bye.